Hello, welcome back to Home with My Glad. We are passing, I think this is Lake Peachtree right now. We just got our vanity from Home Depot and our little, what's it called? The faucet there. But we're doing our very first home improvement project. We've never really done anything major like this on our own. Here, golf cart here. And I'm super excited. We're doing the vanity in our downstairs bathroom. Our house was built in the early 1980s, so we desperately need a new vanity, a new everything. So this is our first project, and we're gonna bring you guys along with us and show you how it goes, and maybe learn some things along the way, and I hope you do too. This is what we're starting with. Like I said, this house was built in, I think, 1981 or 82. So this is the sink, and we're going to take it out. Mike's been watching all kind of videos about how to remove this. So we're gonna have to like undo it from the wall and unscrew the cabinets. These are super old drawers. We considered just refinishing it, like redoing the paint and redoing this countertop, but like it just seems like so flimsy, like the drawers fall off. I feel like this could just use a fresh start. Oh yeah, excuse the mess, but it's just really old. So my decision is to, and like you can tell it's like sunken down right there. I think it's just a smarter idea right now to get a completely new countertop. We're also gonna redo this mirror. I don't know if we're gonna paint it or put like, get a completely new one or what. And I like the Mexican tile idea. So I'm gonna put like tiles everywhere that are different colors. I can't wait to show you what it looks like. This entire bathroom needs to be redone. It is a large size, I'd say. Huh. Can you tell we have a baby? Excuse all that. 4.5 bath, but we're hopefully gonna do some things along the wall and everything to make it look a lot better. So this is our before, and it's our very first project. So wish us luck because we're gonna need it. Here is the vanity we chose. It was a good price. I think $5.29 for the cabinet piece and the piece on top, which honestly, is it just like the countertop? And other ones were selling separately, but this one was $5.29 for both, so we thought it was good. The faucet, we got one very similar to this. I'll show you whenever we install it. It was $149. So just to give you an idea of the cost. We are gonna try and do the work ourselves. Well, let me restate that. Mike is going to do it himself. He's gonna take the old one out and then put that one in. So we'll see how that goes. I know that sometimes it can be a challenge with the plumbing and making sure you get the holes right, but we'll show you how that goes. Mike just took the vanity out. So there's the mirror from before. He just took it all out. And this is what it looks like behind there. I think it was kind of a challenge for him to get some of the pieces up. When he took the vanity out, he found something really crazy underneath the vanity itself. Like these were left in there, we think, by the contractors. Look at these. Lovely, huh? Here's all the parts that were ripped out. We have a lot of work to do otherwise on this house. But here is the old vanity and the old sink. And I'm really excited to see what the new one looks like in there. So we have to call bulk pickup or something to get this. So it's the next day now, and I have an update. Mike was able to get a plumber to come out here first thing this morning, so they fixed the piping to where when we pull the vanity back in here, the lines will be inside the area with the hole, so we don't have to actually drill a hole in the piece itself. I'll show you. So the plumber came, and before the hole was here, and I'm not sure if it looks like they might have modified the pipe back there, so they had to like turn it, and now it comes out there. So this is just something to keep in mind when you buy a vanity. You want to make sure that you measure correctly and look and consider how the back is set up so that you can plan either to do this yourself or to have a plumber come do it. But it's definitely not something we plan for, and I know it would have been helpful for me to hear. Also, we didn't plan for any of this to happen, and I don't know how we're gonna get these back on, but yeah. Oh, there's a vanity. Looks all dusty. It'll look good when it's done. So it's a couple of days later. I think the last video I recorded was on Sunday. It's now Wednesday, and Mike has done a lot to this room. He's painted and put the light in. Let me show you. So he painted the room. We still have to put these door borders in and the baseboards, but he's painted it. So he painted it white. I think he did several coats of paint and maybe several coats of primer and a couple coats of paint. We still haven't put the vanity in, but he went ahead and put the light in, and I chose this light. I thought it was really pretty. I like the farmhouse look of it. I think it goes well with kind of the Mexican style tile theme that I want to put in this bathroom. So this is where we're at, and we're gonna put the vanity in and do everything else, and I will keep showing you. So we're going in stages, and the bathroom's been like this for a couple of weeks, but we now have the vanity in, and Mike did the floor. He's never done any sort of flooring like this, and this is the kind that you buy in planks and cut it. And he didn't use a saw, he used a razor blade, I think. But he just wanted to see if he could do this on his own in here, and it looks fairly decent. I'm sure the more we do it, the better we'll get at it, but we still have yet to put the molding on, and we have paneling to put on the wall. But so far, it's looking a lot better than it looked before. We still haven't gotten a mirror yet either, so a little bit of progress. So we're back, and Mike got some kind of stick-on brick things for the wall. I want to show you, and it's just peel and stick, and it already looks a lot better, and it's so easy. Hold on. This is what they are, and he's just peeling and sticking, and it comes in several different pieces. There are probably other actual ways to do a wall like this, but for our budget, this worked out. But you can see it's literally just peel and stick. So I'll show you what it looks like after it's done. And this is what it looks like mid-stage. It's looking really good. I'm so excited. Mike's finished the wall, and I'll say I think it looks pretty darn good. Like, if you don't analyze it too much, you can't tell it's stick-on, but I really like how it looks. I think it gives the bathroom a really nice look. So I think I kind of really like it. Like, this was something that didn't take too much time, and it wasn't expensive, and it really makes the bathroom look a lot better. So on this wall, I think we're gonna go with some sort of wood. I don't know if we're gonna do the same stick-on or some actual wood panel pieces, like probably 3D as well. And here I think we're going to do some sort of maybe a lighter blue background and a pretty mirror. We shall see, but it is coming along nicely. So it's been a few additional months since I made a video about the bathroom, but for now, I think we pretty much have it at a stage where it's set. We put everything back up, and there are little small things that I think we still need to do. It's not like 100% perfect, but let me show you what we've done. So here's the bathroom, and I think the last thing I showed you was this wall that we did. And I added this mirror. You can hear Mike in the background. I added this mirror under the light, and this mirror was actually like a plain mirror. It just came like a glass. So I put these our stick-on tiles, and I also framed it in a wood. And that is now our vanity. And you can see we actually changed out the floor. Earlier in the video, you saw that Mike had done the floors in here. We actually made all of the flooring downstairs one same color. We didn't do that ourselves. We had somebody do it for us, so we thought it made sense to also change the bathroom floor. So the floor is now this pretty gray color. Let me flip it over. The floor is now this pretty gray color, and I just put a mirror over there, and that is that. I could do different things. I could paint like an accent wall behind the mirror, which I'm thinking about doing, like a teal accent wall, like a strong colored teal. Also, put a couple pictures here or there, just because the only decorations really are the mirrors. But being that this is a home improvement video, the most important things were done, like the vanity and the little embellishments and stuff like that. So I'm gonna end this video here. I hope that you like what we've done with the bathroom, and if you try to do any of this yourself, let me know how it goes for you. Thank you for watching.